Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today we have a special collaboration and it's called What Would You Make? It's an open invite and that's hosted by OK at Home DIY, Connie Creative Creations, and we have a guest host and she's DIY from House to Home. I'm going to be linking the host and the guest host down below in the description box along with their channel links. So make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to the channels, and then head on over to that playlist to see how everybody decided to work with wood. Now don't forget to click that like button because every time you do, you help us content creators to grow on YouTube. Now all the items that I'm using to create this craft did come from the Dollar Tree. Now if you're not part of the Grace Life DIY family, what are you waiting for? I cannot wait to have you. Now all of these pieces did come from the nautical section of the Dollar Tree. I am amazed at all of the things that they have. And then of course those stickers that I'm using, I did get those in the Crafter Square section of the Dollar Tree. So I started out here with one of the mini canvases that the Dollar Tree carries, and then I used the stickers to decorate that, and we're going to go ahead and embellish that. I don't want to go ahead and spoil it. And then I could not believe that we found the wooden beads at the Dollar Tree. I cannot wait for you to see the outcome of this project. Now I'm going to go ahead and leave you to a little bit of music while I go ahead and put this project together, and I will see you at the end. Now I'm using some ribbon that I got from the nautical section of the Dollar Tree to embellish this. That ribbon is so cute. Now I am embellishing with some pearls and they are multicolor, so this is really pretty. Remember to seal everything in with the Mod Podge if you don't want the stickers or those letters to lift. Now here I grabbed a nice size piece of that ribbon and we're going to use that as a hanger. So part one of this project is done. Let's move over to part two. Now we're going to be using two of the Jenga blocks. We're going to be using some Mod Podge, that blue paint, and there are the beads. Then we're going to move over to the sticker, which is going to have the second part of the wording that we are going to place on this fish that we got from the nautical section of the Dollar Tree. Remember where I placed the sticker? I am going to go back to seal that in with Mod Podge. So now the paint is probably the only thing that I got from Walmart. It is apple barrel in that beautiful blue, and we're gonna color the jingle blocks because we want them to weigh down on the other end of the beads. So that's what we're doing here. So then over here I decided to tie that purple ribbon at the end, just give it a little pop of color, and then we're going to go ahead and embellish that bow. Now here's where you see me put some hot glue in between the jingle blocks and then put the end of that string of beads there just for weight, and that's what you see me doing here. Now on the other side of the beads, we're going to take that string and we're going to glue it to the back of that fish. I think this project came out absolutely beautiful, and I'm calling this piece Fishes of Men. Now I'm going to go ahead and display this for you. I think this project came out absolutely beautiful, and I hope you agree. I do want to take a moment and thank the hosts, OK at Home DIY and Connie's Creative Creations, and also the guest host, DIY from House to Home, for hosting this collaboration. Okay, so if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.